So today we will discuss about stereochemistry of steroids. So the number of total fused position is 6. The fused position means the two ring is attached in the point. This is the fused position. That is 6. 6 means 5, 10, 8, 9, 13, 14. This is the fused position. And the chiral carbon as fused position is 6. The chiral carbon means the carbon which has 4 different valency. Example is C. The 4 in the fourth side, the four different molecules are here. So this is the chiral carbon. So in the fused position there is a chiral carbon. So the number of chiral carbon at fused position is 6. It is 5, 10, 8, 9, 13, 14. Come to the point in formula. The number of stereoisomer, the formula of the number of stereoisomer determination is 2 to the power n. The n means chiral carbon. Theoretically, stereoisomers are 2 to the power 6 because we all know in the previous position the chiral carbon at fused position is 6. So the chiral carbon, the number of chiral carbon is 6. So the 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64 is the stereoisomer. Then there are some important terms. Alpha means this dash type of bond. So this is below the plane. Means if there is a plane, so the bond will be in downside. So it is below the plane. The bold, the beta that is bold. It is above the plane. If there are this is a structure, the bond will be above side. So it is above the plane. Then cis means same side, trans means opposite side. It should be an identical group. So beta and beta, if the beta and beta same bond is present, that will be cis, and if alpha and beta the opposite or beta or alpha opposite bond is present, that is trans. The fused position between A and B, there we know there are 4 ring A, B, C, D. So between A and B the position is 5 and 10. Between B and C the position is 8 and 9. Between C and D the position is 13 and 14. 10, 8, 13 position always beta. The beta, previously we know the beta bond that is above the plane. So the 10, 8, 13 is always beta. The 9 position always alpha. 9 position is below the plane. So the bond is below the plane. Only 5 and 14 position will change alpha or beta. The 5 and 14 position not a exactly particular bond beta or alpha, it will be changed, it can be changed alpha or beta. So 5 beta, whereas we can find the 5 beta bond, the cardiac glycoside or cardenolidase. Example is digitalis. The next 5 beta bond is present in bile acid, that is cholic acid, that will talk about previously. The 14 beta bond, only one case, cardiac glycoside or cardenolidase. The 14 beta bond only in one case, that is cardiac glycoside, but 5 beta bond is in 2 cases, cardiac glycoside or cardenolidase or bile acid. The other all positions are standard, like 8, 10, 8, 13 always beta, 9 always alpha. So the beta bond will that type. That type means this is upper side above the plane, and alpha bond means lower side, means below the plane.